Hi everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you my favorite ways of preparing parsley for recipes. So I think everybody thinks of parsley as that awful little sad garnish on a plate. Well, I happen to think parsley has amazing flavor, and I never really use it for a garnish. I always use it as an ingredient for flavor in a recipe. So let me give you a little close-up of flat leaf Italian parsley. So there's two kinds of parsley in the grocery store, curly and flat leaf. I almost exclusively use flat leaf parsley because I think it has better flavor and I think it just looks a little bit prettier. So a few ways of getting the leaves off of these gorgeous stems. So first, you can pick off, this is a big bunch of parsley. So first you can pick off leaves individually. I love this for a garnish that already has the parsley in it as flavor. This really lets people know that there's parsley in here. And I love the shape of these leaves. I think they're really beautiful and they add some dimension and some, interest to a recipe. The other way is, how do you get a lot of parsley leaves off of the stalk? So you take your knife and you run it along the leaves and they all just kind of come off, which I think is fantastic. So the good part about the parsley stems is that they're very tender and even the stems have flavor. So that's really helpful in recipes. And for here, if there's a lot of stem on it like this one, I'll just take the leaves off, put the stem aside, and then give this a big rough chop. This is a lot of parsley. Parsley, if you've all made, I'm sure, pesto with basil. Well, parsley pesto is actually really delicious as well. So that's how to chop, and you can chop this or mince this as finely as you want. We're going to put this aside here. And then the other really great thing is you're left with all of these stems. So what I will do is I typically tie them with a little bit of kitchen string, and then I'll put this entire bunch into a stock or a soup, because that has tremendous flavor in it. And why waste flavor? Put it into something. Flat leaf parsley, a classic ingredient, and you should definitely use it at home. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and head over to marksievers.com where you can get more recipes for parsley and entertaining ideas and learn about my new books. So until next time. Bye.